The Lo-Fi girl phenomenon has changed the landscape of the internet forever. If you have spent any time on YouTube in the last few years, you have seen it. A simple, looping animation of a girl studying at her desk, paired with an endless stream of chilled, down-tempo beats. It seems simple, almost too simple. But behind that calm exterior lies one of the most powerful passive income machines in the history of digital content. Some of these 24/7 lo-fi radio stations generate tens of thousands of dollars every single month in ad revenue alone. They have hundreds of thousands of concurrent viewers who use the music to study, sleep, and work. It is a massive global audience with a hunger for content that never ends. For years, the barrier to entry was high. You needed to be a music producer, an animator, and a technical wizard to manage a live stream. But in 2026, the game has changed completely. Today, on AMA AI Tech, I am revealing the exact blueprint to start your own 24/7 lo-fi music empire using the power of 3 revolutionary AI tools. We are going to automate the sound, automate the visuals, and master the editing process. Welcome to the future of passive income. The biggest nightmare for any music channel creator is the dreaded copyright strike. You can spend weeks building a beautiful channel, only to have it deleted overnight because of a single unauthorized sample in a song. This fear has kept thousands of talented creators on the sidelines. But that era is over. The first pillar of our empire is a tool called Mubert. Mubert is not just a music library. It is a generative artificial intelligence that creates unique, royalty-free, and high-quality tracks from scratch in real time. This is the ultimate solution for the copyright problem. When you use Mubert, you are not just picking a song that 1,000 other people have already used. You are generating a unique piece of sonic art. The interface is incredibly intuitive. You can choose a genre like Lofi, select a mood like chill, dreamy, or mystical, and even set the exact duration you need. Within seconds, Mubert's AI assembles a professional-grade track with perfect rhythm and atmospheric depth. The beats are crisp, the melodies are hauntingly beautiful, and the vibes are immaculate. This is the soul of your channel. By using Mubert, you ensure that every second of your stream is unique to you, protected from copyright claims, and optimized for long-term growth. You can generate hundreds of hours of music without ever touching a musical instrument. But a Lofi channel is only as good as its atmosphere. In this niche, visuals are just as important as the audio. People don't just listen to lo-fi, they watch it. They want to be transported to a different world, a rainy night in a cyberpunk city, a cozy cabin in a snowy forest, or a quiet library in space. Traditionally, you would have to hire an expensive digital artist or spend months learning 3D animation to create these loops. This is where our second pillar comes in: VideoGen. VideoGen is the bridge between your imagination and the screen. It is an advanced text-to-video AI engine that understands the aesthetic requirements of the lo-fi genre. The process is seamless. You take the very script we are using right now, or a descriptive prompt of your dream world, and you feed it into VideoGen. The AI doesn't just look for generic clips. It searches through a massive database of premium, cinematic B-roll to find the exact visual matches for your vibe. If you want a shot of a cat sleeping on a windowsill while neon lights flicker in the background, VideoGen finds it. If you want a sweeping drone shot of a misty mountain range, VideoGen delivers it in high definition. It handles the heavy lifting of visual storytelling, allowing you to create stunning, high-retention loops in a matter of minutes. You are no longer an editor, you are a world builder. Once you have your unique AI-generated music from Mubert and your cinematic visuals from VideoGen, it is time to bring them together and add the professional polish that separates the amateurs from the moguls. This leads us to the third pillar, CapCut. CapCut has become the gold standard for high-speed, high-quality video editing because it offers professional-level features with a user-friendly interface. While VideoGen provides the foundation, CapCut provides the sauce. In CapCut, you can take your video loops and add layers of atmospheric effects that make the viewer feel the vibe. You can add film grain, VHS overlays, and subtle light leaks to give your channel that nostalgic, lo-fi aesthetic that the audience loves. You can use CapCut's advanced audio tools to layer in ambient sound effects, the sound of falling rain, the crackle of a fireplace, or the distant hum of a city. These layers of sound design, combined with your Mubert beats, create a deeply immersive experience. Furthermore, CapCut's auto-captioning and dynamic text tools allow you to display the song titles or inspirational quotes across the screen in beautiful animated fonts. This keeps the screen active and engaging, which is a huge signal to the YouTube algorithm to keep recommending your video. The power of this three-tool workflow, Mubert, VideoGen, and CapCut, is its scalability. Because you are using AI to automate the most time-consuming parts of the process, you can produce content at a speed that was previously impossible. You can launch a Lofi channel for studying, a secondary channel for sleep music, and a third channel for synthwave or chill hop. You can build a network of channels that generate passive income 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You are building an empire while you sleep. The internet is moving toward a future where content is personalized, atmospheric, and constant. The creators who win in this new era are not the ones who work the hardest, but the ones who work the smartest. They are the ones who leverage the best technology to amplify their creativity. By combining the generative music of Mubert, the cinematic visuals of VideoGen, and the professional finishing of CapCut, you are positioning yourself at the very top of the content creator food chain. You have the blueprint, you have the tools. The only thing missing is your action. Do not let another year go by wishing you had started your own channel. The technology is here, and the barrier to entry has never been lower. It is time to stop being a consumer of the lo-fi vibe and start being the one who creates it. It is time to turn your passion for music and aesthetics into a sustainable, profitable, and automated business. Build your world. Create your sound. Master your workflow. To help you get started immediately, I have placed the links to the holy trinity of AI tools in the description below. Click the links to access Mubert for your music, VideoGen for your visuals, and CapCut to bring it all together. Take the first step toward your passive income empire today. Start your 24/7 Lofi journey right now. Try Mubert, CapCut, and VideoGen. Links are in the description.